Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing and interesting entertainment like no other. Trust me guys, you will not regret being a part of this family. All you need to is follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe to our channel so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Trust me guys, you will not regret being part of this amazing family. This na Open Heaven Daily Devotional for Sunday wey be the 5th of February 2023. Our topic for today talk say, you versus death. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27 to 28. And our memory verse dey come from Job chapter 7 verse 1 wey tell us say, is there not an appointed time to man upon earth? And not his days also like the days of an hireling? Job chapter 7 verse 1. Now I talk this one. Now to our main message for today. Death na one enemy wey get plenty power. E power many sotey for inside 1 Corinthians 15 verse 26, Bible tell us to say, na death na go be the last enemy wey God go destroy. That one tell you say e dey so strong sotey God get to keep her to be the very last. One of the reasons why e be like say death get power well and many people dey fear am na because na leveler, meaning e dey put everybody for the same level. E no care who you be, whether you be rich, poor, mighty, king, servant, beggar, or anybody, e go level you. Now this one I make Psalm 49 verse 10 talk say, for he seeth that wise men die, likewise the fool and the brutish people perish, and leave their wealth to others. Death no dey respect academic qualification or achievement anytime when e come knock door. E no dey listen to any argument. Even Lazarus wey be like say Jesus raised after 4 days still die again, whether you like am or not. Except you dey for here when Jesus Christ return to carry him followers go, death must come knock your door one day. For either of the two cases, the result na the same. You go stand face to face with God for judgment seat. Wetin dey make death dey really be wetin people dey fear be say na permanent something, nothing dey fit change am. Our Bible reading for today for verse 27 tell us say the moment wey be like say person die, e go face judgment, no second chance, no opportunity to try again. Na permanent once and for all. Now make I dey wonder wetin some people dey think wey be like say they say they wan postpone their salvation, or they go start to dey live holy life at a time wey dey convenient for them. Many people don talk like that for past, and they don die before the time wey they say they go start to dey live holy. All of them dey for inside hell today, and they regret am now, and they go regret am for eternity. You must ensure say you dey ready for death whenever e come to knock your door. Those wey dey ready go always find themselves for paradise when death come. But for the rest, they go dey cry and they go bite teeth for eternity. Luke 13 verse 27 na tell us this one. So stop to dey tell lie, stop to dey forge figures for office so that you go keep some money for yourself. Stop to dey commit fornication, stop to dey sin. When death come, all these things they no go matter anymore at that point. All wetin go matter be say your name dey for inside the book of life. Surrender your life to Jesus Christ today and commit yourself so you go follow am till the end of time. That na the only way to overcome spiritual death and to inherit eternal life. Our reflection point for today talk say, if Jesus Christ return now or he call you come house today, where you go spend eternity, heaven or for the lake of fire?